In the grand tapestry of the sustainable energy revolution, Tesla emerges as a vibrant and compelling thread. Under the guidance of visionary Elon Musk, this audacious company is on a mission to sever the world's dependence on fossil fuels, painting a future where clean energy reigns supreme. Tesla's vision, however, extends far beyond the realm of electric vehicles. The company also delves into energy storage and solar power, creating a holistic approach that sets it apart from its contemporaries. One of Tesla's most notable achievements, the Autopilot, is a testament to the fusion of innovation and practicality. This feature offers semi-autonomous driving capabilities, turning every journey into a safer, more convenient experience. The production of these cutting-edge technologies would not be possible without Tesla's Gigafactories. These manufacturing powerhouses churn out batteries on a massive scale, meeting the surging demand for electric vehicles while exemplifying sustainable manufacturing. Yet, Tesla's innovation doesn't stop at electric vehicles. The company has also made significant strides in the realm of energy storage, with products like the Powerwall and Powerpack. These devices store energy for later use, providing homes and businesses with an efficient means to manage their energy requirements. In addition to energy storage, Tesla has ventured into the domain of solar power. Its solar panels and solar roof are designed to seamlessly blend into the aesthetics of a building while converting sunlight into electricity. Paired with energy storage solutions, these solar systems provide a comprehensive clean energy system, reducing grid reliance and trimming energy costs. Infrastructure stands as another pillar in Tesla's strategy. The company has constructed a network of superchargers, fast charging stations that make long-distance travel in an electric vehicle a reality. Strategically scattered along major routes, these superchargers ensure Tesla owners can embark on their journeys without the lurking fear of depleting their power. As Tesla propels forward, its trail is marked by continuous innovation, from breakthroughs in battery technology to the unveiling of new vehicle models. With sustainability as its compass, Tesla is carving a path towards a cleaner, greener future, mitigating the world's carbon footprint and championing renewable energy sources. In conclusion, Tesla is not just another car company. It stands as an emblem of the sustainable energy movement, making significant strides with its electric vehicles, energy storage solutions, and solar products. As the world steers towards a more sustainable future, Tesla's role is poised to expand. Their commitment to clean energy and innovative approach make them a trailblazer in the industry. This publication is brought to you by Peace Harmony of EU Entertainment Plug. Follow us for more intriguing insights into the world of sustainable energy and the revolution led by companies like Tesla.